Ayan mga palangga, kamusta kayong lahat? So ito na nga, nag-leak talaga yung video na to. So kayo na ang humusga nito mga palangga ha. Kasi nakikita lang natin ito. Baka sabihin na naman na fake news ito. So kailangan nating magpakatotoo dito. Although matagal-tagal na tong video na to, pero siyempre kailangan nating wag ilihis ang problema sa ngayong panahon na ito. Kailangan nating pag-usapan ang BICAM kasi pera ng mamamayang Pilipino ang pinamudmud nila or ginamit nila dito mga palangga. Panoorin natin mga palangga para maintindihan ninyo, okay?
With our chair for APRO and our APRO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed but has been approved and it's being signed right now. We will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell that. Whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita.
O diba ang kakapal ng mga pagmumukha nito? I-share ninyo ito mga palangga ha. Tapusin natin mga palangga.
Tayo when we speak, as a speaker in the house, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men and women in the AFP, top priority po kayo, and we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that. Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Okay. So that is signed here in the BICAM that will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in some ballots to you and to the troops. Mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th. Aguinaldo. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them. We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Salamat po. Sir, salamat. Thank you.
O diba mga palangga? So kayo nang humusga niyan mga palangga ha? Kasi grabe talaga. So yun lang yung masabi ko. Anong masabi niyo? Ang masabi ko, kapal ang pagmumukha nila.